Hi, class 12. So let's start our physics class. Okay, welcome to our physics class. So till date what we have done is that, so yesterday we done E equals to how much? Minus of del V and del L, isn't it? Yes. This is length, okay, so you can write R, okay, clear. So we also done with this one, potential equals to how much? Work done by charge. So this work done equals to how much? Work done equals to cross multiplication V into Q into V, clear. And this work done is also called potential energy, okay, U, denoted by capital letter U. And this energy is stored in a charge, okay, whenever it does the work, okay. So this energy is stored in the charge, okay, clear. So we'll talk about this potential energy, clear. So today we'll do potential energy. So write down potential energy of system of charge. So potential energy of the system of charge. Potential energy of system of charges. Clear. अब हेर यो राम्रोसँगले बुझ, एकखेप बुझ्यो भने फेरि फेरि पर्दैन, ओके. So in physics there is external and internal, especially in electrostatic or electricity there is external and internal field, okay. So यहाँ हेर, यो बुझ्नुपर्छ एक्सटर्नल र इन्टर्नल. सो यहाँनिर केही पनि छैन र, isn't it? Nothing is here, okay. That means no charge is here, okay. That time how much would be V? V equals to 0. अब केही छैन भन्दाखेरि त्यस्तो नसोच्नु कि चामल छैन, सब्जी छैन भनेर, ओके. लकडाउनले. सो दिस एक्सटर्नल फिल्ड इज 0, ओके. यहाँनिर के छैन, एक्सटर्नल फिल्ड छैन, ओके. और V equals to 0 पनि भन्छ, ओके. So I am bringing a charge from infinity. Infinity याद छ, isn't it? From infinity I am bringing a charge over this point, okay, point. So I am bringing a charge Q1 from infinity, okay. So what will be the work done? Work done equals to Q into V, isn't it? So Q how much? Q1. V कति छ? 0. So work done equals to how much? 0. Clear? The formula work done equals to QV. Clear? So यसलाई मैले के भन्दै, फर्स्ट वर्क, ओके, एउटा चार्ज ल्याएँ मैले. नेक्स्ट अब के गर्दैछु मैले, अगेन आई विल ब्रिङिङ अ चार्ज फ्रम इन्फिनिटी टु दिस पोइन्ट, ओके. अब यहाँ के छ हेर, छ नि, isn't it? Here we have potential due to Q1. So potential equals to how much? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by, so let us say this is your distance R1 2. So R1 2. Clear? So potential छ नि, अब मैले के ल्याउँदैछु, R को charge Q2. So it will experience this potential, so we have to do the work, isn't it? So let us say this work is your W2 equals to how much? QV. Q how much? Q1, sorry, Q2 charge. V कति छ? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R1 2. कुरा बुझ्दैछ? यो सेकेन्ड वर्क, isn't it? सेकेन्ड चार्ज ल्याउँदैछ. So this equals to how much? Q1 into Q2 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R1 2. The distance between the charge, okay. So net or total, okay, total work done equals to how much? Total work done equals to W, let's say W equals to W1 plus W2, isn't it? So W1 is 0, so this much, isn't it? Q1 Q2 4 pi epsilon naught R1 2. So this is also called energy, isn't it? So energy equals to how much? 0 like the or Q1 देख this Q1 Q2 by ये लेखा. Okay, so दुईटा charge again. If I want to brought, because system of charge, isn't it? So if I want to brought a Q3 over here, Q3 ले ल्याउँदैछु. Okay, कहाँबाट? Infinity, from infinity. So how much would be the work done, isn't it? See, Q3. So let us say यहाँ के छ? Potential यसको पनि छ, isn't it? This one and this one. Two potentials are there already, isn't it? Internal field. Okay, so how much would be your work done? Tell me. So let us say this is your R13, this is your R1, sorry, 2 3 2 3 1 3. Okay, so first the के potential cause due to this and this. So potential, let us say this is our V2. Okay, V1 here by this is V1. So V2 equals to how much? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q is your charge, isn't it? Yes or no? So Q1 by how much? R13. Now V3 due to this, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 by R13. Now find work done to bring this charge. So W3 equals to how much? Q, that is your Q3, isn't it? And V how much? This to add this to summation of this two. So Q1 by 4 pi epsilon naught R13 plus Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught R23. Clear? So this is the work done of in bringing the charge Q3. So now find total work done. Total work done. W equals to how much? Add gara sabai W1 plus W2 plus W3. It goes on. Okay, R ko charge it goes on. Okay, so W equals to how much? W1 0, W2 how much? Q1 Q2 4 pi epsilon naught R12 and W3 मेटा दिन्छ ल. अर्को चार्ज लाउँदा फेरि बढ्छ. ओके, सो प्लस Q3. सो यसले इन्टु गर. सो Q1 Q3 by 4 pi epsilon naught R13 plus Q2 Q3 यसले इन्टु गरेको. ओके, सो 4 pi epsilon naught R23. It goes on. Okay, how many charge? It depends on you. So simply this is your potential energy which is stored in the charge. Okay, so U equals to how much? Q1 Q2 0 लेख्नु पर्दैन. 4 pi epsilon naught R12 Q1 Q3 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R13 Q2 Q3 4 pi epsilon naught R23. Hope you understood. Okay, this is your energy, potential energy of system of charge. Okay, clear? So turn page number 63. There you have an example. Okay, do it at home. So now next, if there is a external field, okay, if there is external field, okay, if there is a external field, so here, so like a next topic, potential energy of a single charge, potential energy of a single charge. अब यति बेला चाहिँ के छ, external potential is there, isn't it? External field is there. So V is not equals to 0. Clear? So V is not equals to 0. Okay, V equals to 0. Now V is not equals to 0. छ यहाँनिर potential, okay. So I am bringing a charge Q over here, okay. So what would be our work done? So work done equals to how much? QV, isn't it? Q into V. If there is a external, this is your external field is there, isn't it? Presence of external field. Okay, the K thing, na. Now this is presence of external field. So SI unit of this is your work, isn't it? SI unit of work is your how much? Joule, isn't it? Yes sir. Work ko kyo unit? Joule. Okay. So again, if I say this is your, if I bring an electron, okay, E, electron E, and with the voltage or potential difference or potential V, okay, so how much would be our work done? How much? So this equals to how much? E into V, isn't it? Yes. So this is your, we call it in next chapter atom, electron volt. This is also a unit of work done, okay, electron volt. So write down 1 electron volt is your potential energy. 1 electron volt is your potential energy of an electron when placed, when it is placed, okay, it is placed in 1 volt potential value. See, this is your E. E ko value kati huncha? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Clear? So this is your potential energy, this is also potential energy. Clear? So SI unit कति बेला use गर्नुपर्छ, okay, this is your SI unit and this is your, what is this, electron volt. So this much of joule, okay, 1 volt, isn't it? 1 volt, so this much of joule, isn't it? So 1 kilovolt, kilo electron volt equals to how much? Like 1000 into, so how much? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 16 joule. So understood? So कति बेला चाहिँ SI unit में ल्याउनु पर्छ? जति बेला we calculate or numerical, okay. So किन SI unit में ल्याउनु पर्छ, isn't it? हामीले किन अरु unit use गर्छ? Do you know why? Because if I ask गेन्टोक देखि रानीपुल कति टाढा छ भन्दा तिमी के भन्छ? के भन्छ तिमीहरु? 10 किलोमिटर या 9 किलोमिटर, isn't it? तर SI युनिट अफ डिस्टेन्स इज योर मिटर इज इट मिटरमा पनि त हैन SI युनिट को के हो मिटर क्लियर तर तिमीले के भन्छ किलोमिटर यो भन्दा ठुलो हो किन त यसलाई के भन्छ एप्रोप्रिएटिभ युनिट भन्छ यिनीहरुले ओके whenever you measure the distance like moon distance तिमीले मिटरमा नाप्दा हुन्छ ओके तर के हुन्छ थुप्रो हुन्छ जिरो हो कि सो त्यसकारणले गर्दा के गर्छ किलोमिटरमा युज गर्छ कुरा बुझ्दैछ सो त्यसकारणले गर्दा we use SI unit in numerical only ओके अरु युनिटलाई के भन्छ एप्रोप्रिएटिभ जस्तो अब तिमी लुगा किन्नु जाँदा के गर्छ केमा माग्छ लुगा किलोमिटर दिनु भन्छ 1 किलोमिटर कपडा दिनु भन्छ हुँदैन सो व्हाट विल डू मीटर यूज गर्छ सो दोज युनिट्स आर एप्रोप्रिएटिभ एन्ड SI युनिट इज फर क्याल्कुलेसन सो अलिकति बताइदिइराख्छु ल कन्भर्जन त्यहाँ तिमीले सम गर्नुपर्छ सो कन्भर्जनको लागि याद राख सो कन्भर्जन बिग युनिट देखि स्मल युनिटमा जाँदाखेरि के हुन्छ मल्टिप्लाई स्मल टु बिग के हुन्छ डिभाइड अब तिम्रो क्लासमा के आउँछ मिलिमिटर भन्ने आउँछ सेन्टिमिटर भन्ने आउँछ ओके माइक्रो कुलम भन्ने आउँछ सो माइक्रोको कति हुन्छ 10 टु द पावर -6 न्यानो कुलम भन्ने आउँछ 10 टु द पावर -9 ओके सो यो युज गर्नुपर्छ ल सो नेक्स्ट टर्न पेज नम्बर 65 मा छ म डायग्राम बनाइदिन्छु तिमीहरु गर्नु ल सो डायग्राम तिमीले बुझ्दैन भनेर बनाइदिन्छु ल सो सेम युज हुन्छ ओके अलि हामीले पढेकै हो कि सो मज्जाले पढ क्वेशन ओके के भन्दैछ एउटा चार्ज छ भयो कन्भर्जन यति याद छ भने भइहाल्छ तिमीलाई ल कन्भर्जन फर्स्टमा त के छ determine the electrostatic potential of a system consisting of two charges this and that and with no external field placed okay external field chain v कति छ 0 छ so this is your कति छ 7 coulomb 7 micro coulomb यसलाई कति लेख्नु पर्छ 7 into 10 to the power -6 coulomb माइक्रो लाई के बनाएको कुलम बनाए हामीले अर्को छ -2 माइक्रो कुलम तो कति बनाउँछ यो 2 into 10 to the power -6 कुलम सानोलाई ठुलो बनाउँदा के हुन्छ डिभाइड गर्नुहुन्छ डिभाइड भन्दा के हुन्छ पावर मुनि जान्छ ओके सो अर्को के छ डिस्टेन्स फ्रम द ओरिजिन 9 यता यो ओरिजिन ल्याउ यता 9 यता पनि 9 सो दिस इज योर 9,000 यो भनेको x y z ओके यो भनेको फेरि माइनस यो पोइन्ट कति छ -9000 सो यो के भनेको x y z को भ्यालु ओके सो दिस इज 9 एन्ड दिस इज 9 सो होल टुगेदर इज योर 18 सेन्टिमिटर अब सेन्टिमिटरलाई के गर्नुपर्छ मिटरमा चेन्ज गर्नुपर्छ सो सेन्टिमिटरलाई मिटरमा चेन्ज गर्दा के हुन्छ 18 into 10 to the power -2 मिटर क्लियर सो फर्स्ट को निकालिहाल u is equal to how much u equals to फर्मुला छ हाम्रो 1/4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 isn't it by r12 this is the distance r1 so 1/4 pi epsilon naught को भ्यालु लो 9 into 10 to the power 9 so into 7 into 10 to the power -6 q1 isn't it q2 minus the sign so minus it like 2 into 10 to the power -6 divided by 18 into 10 to the power -2 अब यो क्याल्कुलेट गर्न के हुन्छ नि यसो गर 9 ले काट 2 2 ले 2 गयो हैन सो अब 10 को हेर 7 त छदै छ इन्टु 10 को आफै गर 10 को पावर छ 9 यो माथि आउँदा प्लस हुन्छ ओके सो 9 minus 6 plus 2 कति भयो so 7 into 10 to the power how much 12 11 so minus 1 so this equals to how much minus is there isn't it minus 0.7 joule clear 2 number को गर र 3 number को गर्नु ल आफै ओके